So let's look at attack session management mechanism. This is the seventh step in web application hacking methodology. First six were footprint web infrastructure, analyze web applications, bypass client-side controls, attack authentication mechanism, attack authorization schemes, attack access controls. Session management attack. It involves two stages: session token generation and exploitation of session token handling. So, session token prediction. Attackers can do this when they realize that the server uses a deterministic pattern between session IDs. By successfully gaining the previous and next session IDs of the user, the attacker can perform malicious attacks pretending to be the user. Session token tampering. Once the attacker gain the previous and next session ID, they can tamper with session data and engage in further malicious activities. Once attacker generate a valid session token, they try to exploit session token handling as follows. Uh, Man in the middle attack. We already know this. So how they exploit the after gaining the session token is they can perform man in the middle attack, or a session hijacking, or a session replay. So now let's see session attacking session token generation mechanism. So okay, to determine session token generation mechanism in a session management attack, attackers steal valid session tokens and then predict the next session token. So weak encoding example: when hex encoding of an ASCII string uh, is uh, is uh, is the following example. You can predict another session token by just changing the date. I mean, in the session ID, there is a date used, so you can easily predict the next session token by changing the date. So, and you can also encoding using the ASCII as shown here. So session token prediction. Obtain valid session tokens by sniffing the traffic or legitimately logging into the application and analyzing it for encoding. If any meaning can be reverse engineered from the sample of session tokens, then attempt to guess the tokens recently issued to other application users. Make a large number of requests with the predicted tokens to a session dependent page to determine valid session token. So attacking session token handling mechanism. We saw attacking session token generation mechanism. Now we will see session token handling mechanism. Attacking session token handling mechanism, session token sniffing. First, sniff network traffic for valid session tokens, and then use them to predict the next session token. Use the predicted session ID to authenticate with the target applications. So this is about attacking session management mechanism. In the next video, we'll see perform injection or input validation attacks.